Hi, Vieira with StockMarketLive.tv. Well, today we have several stock crashes addressed here at StockMarketLive.tv. One of them, Furta Locker, a meltdown, complete meltdown. In this was a complimentary live earnings call, which you had on TradingView, as well as for all the universe of customers, more than 7,000 for you to have an idea. Under Armour, new all-time lows. And today I'm going to address precisely the case of Tesla, to tell you a story, okay, a real one. So I'm going to refer here to this article. We have, I don't know, 100 articles live on the blog of the company. This is one of them. It's the most recent one. As you are aware, we call it a button in Tesla ahead of earnings. 100% accuracy. So we demonstrated here it in a presentation, artificially intelligent autonomous trading app at $311 ahead of earnings, when everyone was saying, that Tesla was going down. You have to refer to, as an example, the case of Barron's. We were saying you are going to cover the short position, and by covering and going long the stock, you are going to win a Porsche 911. And all this that I'm referring to, it is available on the blog of the company. So there are articles explain this in detail, okay, in real time, all right? So people, they had opportunity to, pay for and to win the Porsche, okay? So when the share price, that was a day, a couple of weeks ago or so, an American investment firm says, well, Tesla is going to $444. On that same day, in fact, there is a video on YouTube. I was, 444. Why 444? Look, we started buying Tesla, we started buying Tesla at $38. 38 here, with customers, 38 investing in Tesla, okay? At 369, and last time, you have the articles also, the calls available in real time, my colleague or my team selling the shares at $382, and then the share price plunged, as you are aware. You had this article, when everyone made the money to win the Porsche. You have this article. It's a live article because it was posted precise on the day that this American investment firm, Argus Research, they call themselves research, we are making research, we are Americans and making research. But Argus Research, for your knowledge, and this for 98% of the American population, since they are truly dumb, stupid, they put this guy on the White House, this dumb American Trump. For your information, this Argus Research, because you are stupid, so I have to explain it in detail, Argus Research downgraded Tesla at $200 when in fact we had a strong buy rating. So I found strange, 444, okay, so we said, well, all right, I'm dumping, $369, boom, dumping on Americans. Well, my friends, as of today, you had $348. So where is the story? The story is that you have this online, okay? It is there, look, look, we repeat this every week, every day. We trade Tesla with 1% accuracy. We sell Tesla is because we know that we are going to buy back Tesla share price at lower levels compared to that price. So you see here, Vieira sells Tesla 369 on Argus Research Tel upgrade, okay? Before the Argus Research, a couple of months ago, it was other German company upgrading to 424 or whatever. And my colleague at that time, as we were saying, Tesla, sell. In fact, not only sell, go short. And the share price, boom, all the way down to 304. And then the Americans, now go short Tesla, Barron's at 307. And then Tesla share price goes up. I mean, it's all the time, what they say, it's always the opposite, always. It has been this for years. They don't get one right, all these stock analysts. Besides, there is a scam I mean, for example, you have Goldman Sachs with sell ratings in Tesla 40 years, okay? And they repeat the same. Every single year they repeat the same. But Goldman Sachs, in their records, in their books, for your information also, because you are completely stupid, okay? Dumb Trump American, you are completely stupid. JP Morgan with sell ratings in Tesla, Goldman Sachs with sell rating in Tesla. For your information, these companies, UBS, they have long positions in Tesla, my friends. They have had for months, for a long time. So they tell you, you know, it's a sell. And the scammers, the idiots, they have been selling short the stock. When, if you want to sell short the stock or to make money on the short side, you can only do it once we say to do it, not when they say sell, because when they say sell is when you have to be covering and going long. You understand? And vice versa. And this game is so simple. It's every single week. It's the same game. Every single week, every single month, before earnings, after earnings, every single time. People have the information free. Did you make money in Tesla? Did you sell the stock? No, I'm buying more. I'm buying. I'm quadrupling. You know, you could have waited a bit, you know, and then you buy back lower if you want to. Because if you wanted to buy, in fact, it was at before earnings, not after earnings report, in my opinion. Because then you are you are dependent on what the company is going to do the next quarter. So, my friend, you have it here, and if you wish, we can even scroll it down, you know. Look, that was also the call in the price line. Downgrading to sell, you know, selling price line to 2065. In fact, we didn't sell at that price. We sold before the earnings. We sold short heavily the stock, precisely on the same day that the company reported, and we said, well, you know, price line is going down. You know, the company reported, well, and meanwhile the share price plunged more than $150. You ask them, did you sell short price line? You ask them, America. No, price line, the quarter was very good. And they pulled their accounts. Boo! I mean, these people are truly stupid. Well, but even worse, see the case studies, okay, as of today, repeating this for years, okay? In the case of Under Armour, which you have today here, and the Foot Locker, because it is really unbelievable. It's unbelievable how stupid these people are. All right? Congratulations. Have a good weekend. Bye.